with Kate here. Today we're going to be talking about this amazing compact airbrush. It's a super sleek airbrush machine that you plug in and you charge, but it doesn't have to be connected while you're actually airbrushing, which is a huge plus because when I was doing this professionally, I had an airbrush machine that I had to always make sure I could plug it in, and then there were wires that were like strings and just, it was a lot. You also had to use a specific brand of foundation for that airbrush machine, and for this one you don't. You could use your regular foundation and just dilute it and just put it right in here. It comes with multiple size cups and different kind of cups, so depending on what you're comfortable with, you could mix it in a jar, you can just put it directly in here. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. You can also airbrush anything from, if you want to put your setting spray in here and airbrush it on your face, it's like a nice cold mist. It's really amazing. You can airbrush your blush. If it's liquid, you can airbrush your highlight. If you have like a liquid highlight, you can literally airbrush anything onto your face using this machine. Again, it's like really easy to travel with. It's really easy to use for personal use. I had sold my older one because it was just really cumbersome. It was like a lot of stuff to it, and I just want to show you the way my face is looking today. I used an e.l.f. foundation on my face, and we're going to go through that whole thing of the actual application and how I did it, but just so you can see how beautiful it looks on my face. So again, any kind of foundation that you're comfortable using will work with this machine. Just make sure that you dilute it first, and there are different attachments that come on it. It's just a really easy piece. When you plug it in, this power button starts to blink blue. When it's done blinking, that means that it's fully charged. And just so you could hear how not loud it is. It's really not like as intrusive as other airbrush are. So I really love this. It's nice and easy to hold in your hand. You don't have to, pull a little lever back. You're just pulling this lever here when you're using it. And everything goes on the top here. No batteries or anything like that. And again, it doesn't have to be plugged into the wall while in use. You can unplug it and use it that way. It's just really simple. It's nice and sleek. It looks expensive. And it's just a really great addition to either your makeup kit or it's a great addition to your personal makeup collection. So I hope this video helps. I'm gonna have the link down below if you guys wanna check it out, and go check it out. I mean, it's affordable. And again, like I said, you could use any foundation you want. It doesn't come with foundation, so you choose the foundation you wanna use. If there's a specific foundation that you love from an airbrush line, you can use that. If you just wanna use your own and you don't wanna buy an assortment of foundations, it cuts the price like in half because you're using your own foundation. Just make sure you dilute it, and that's it. I hope this video helps. I hope you guys check out this airbrush. Again, it will be linked down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.